My wife told me that this coming Thursday, sabi niya, wag na muna tayo pumunta sa office kasi we're leaving for Thailand tomorrow. No? So, anyway, tumawag si Jaime. So, siyempre, dalawa na lang kami magkamukha. Hindi ko pa pagpilihan. Siyempre, ako na. So, sige. Okay. So, alam mo yan ang problema? Tumawag ang BD, ano? Parang, hindi ka pwede magsabi ng no. No? But anyway, palakpakan naman natin ang mga BD for working hard, si Jaime at saka si Giant, no? And of course, yung ating first speaker, diba? Siya pa siya rin pala, no? Yung compensation plan. Mamaya na muna sasabihin ko ano yung sasabihin ko tungkol sa'yo. Then of course, si GCash person, no? Si Teamwork. Do you know that in this kind of industry, teamwork doesn't necessarily only for your life. Let me, and then of course sino ba yung speaker natin sumunod after si Alan, ano? Yan si Alan, kababayan ko, ano? So lagi kaming nag-uusap niya si Alan, ano? Dati ayaw niya ng networking eh. Kasi akala niya tinda-tinda, di ba? Tera, no? Pag huwag kang tinda, mauubos ang oras mo dyan. And then, he built leaders and now he is our Diamond 3-star. Okay, palapakan din natin. Today, I am tasked to talk about a very delicate topic, no? Tawag dito is Crossline Alliance. It is originated with a company called Amway. Yan, kasi sila nag-originate niya. There's a difference between Crossline Alliance and crosslining. Okay ba yan? No? And ganito yan. If you are in direct selling, your focus is product. So therefore, you want to get salespeople to sell the product. Tama? So, meron akong kaibigan, nagtayo ng agency ng insurance, ano? Eh, ginawa niya akong vice president nung araw, no? Ginawa niya akong VP. So, kasi galing kami pareho sa MLM, kaya lang nag-venture siya sa insurance. Tapos sa kanya, ba't parang ang gulo ng agency mo? Oo nga eh. Lagi sila nagsasabong kasi ganyan ang sales-oriented business. Talaga. Ang Christmas party niya, umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi, magkakahiwalay. Hindi mo pa sila magkasundo. That's the problem in sales. Who came from sales? Di ba ganon? Di ba kahit anong magingitian niya, sarap ang ngitian, tapos sasampalan ng talikod. Di ba ganon sila eh, di ba? No kidding. I'm not kidding. From realty to insurance to ganon. So ang focus nila ay sales. Let's go to network marketing. Pwede? Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba? In network marketing, ang focus mo is to build an organization. Doon pumapasok yung sinasabi ni Cyril na teamwork. When I first time came to Riway, marami nagtatakang tao. Bakit pati crossline tinuturuan ko? Yun ang networking. I'll explain to you why later. So, ang focus mo ay building organization, so you are looking for members. Alam niyo ba ang kinukuha natin members? Hindi customer. Kasi pag kumuha ka ng customer, di siyempre gagawin ka niyang utusan, taga-deliver. Diba? Hindi yan pupunta rito. Do you know that you cannot build leaders in this industry if they will not merge with the system of the company, which is, pag sinabi mong system, office, top leaders, kaya nga may leaders sharing eh, for you to interchange idea. Kaya niya? Kasi tao ang binibuild natin, tao ang pinaparami natin, hindi benta. So, we don't get a customer. Paano? Laging tanong sa akin yan eh, paano magkaka-product? Ang tawag ng profitable consumerism. You get the members, become loyal in the company, loyal in the system, and definitely, because he is a leader, he will consume product not only once, but all throughout the days that they are in this company. Kasi pag loyal lang, like ako, minsan sabi ko, bawasan na kaya natin, sabi ko sa asawa ko. Can you imagine, we are consuming 32 capsules a day, including my mother-in-law, mga anak ko, ganun kalaki. Siyempre, na-generate na namin yun. Hindi naman araw-araw kami bumibili, no? Kasi na-generate na namin yung product. Hindi ko pa nga nagagalaw yung product wallet dito, di ba? Hindi ko pa nagagalaw. So ang focus natin ay tao because this is a people to people's business. Okay? The first thing that I want you to understand is simple. Can you say simple? Okay, hindi sabay-sabay. Walang teamwork. 1, 2, 3. Simple! Yan. Sina Jaime, tinitraining yan eh. Yung mga sinasabi nila, tinitrain yan ng company down from Limbono, go to them. Tama? They're trained that way. Ano sabi ni Jaime kanina? It is not for you to understand this compensation plan. Because at any rate, your income in Reway is system generated. That's how simple it is. But nonetheless, sabi ni Jaime, I want also to understand. Sino sa inyo ang nakaintindi talaga ng tinuro ni Jaime? Tatawagin ko rito para magsalita. Rito. You can't. Alam niyo ba, 9 months na ako sa kumpanya, hindi ko ba naiintindihan ang compensation plan? Dati, wala ako naiintindihan pa. Kaya minsan nagkamali-mali ako ng placement, papagalitan ako ng tatay ni Jude. Di ba? However, in my 9th month, without understanding the comp plan, I was making 1.2 million a month. Wow. Because in this industry, the more you don't understand, the more you grow. I'm not kidding, because this is duplication business. How can someone duplicate a complicated person? How can? That's the reason why this business is called storytelling business. And let me give you a story how I go to this. I have a lot of prospect. At tawag ko doon, pipelines. What are those? Those people, kinukwentohan ko, no? Ganito ako magkwento. Just to give you an actual story. So we went to Pampanga, and marami akong, pag tinignan mo yung cellphone ko, ang dami kong pipelines. Ibig sabihin, mga friend zone ko lang yan. Wala silang alam sa Portier, wala silang alam sa Reway. Ang alam lang nila, maligaya ako sa ginagawa ko. Pag tinanong ko ano yun, alam nyo, if you want to understand, to give you justice, I'd rather make you come to our office. Because I don't want to speak details. Have you noticed this in yourself? When you are new in this business, ang dami mong recruit, tama? Habang tumatagal na naiintindihan mo business, ang bagal mo nang kumuha ng tao. Am I right? Because you become complicated. So how can you attract people if you are the one complicated? So ganito ako magkwento. Sa swimming pool namin, kasi araw-araw po ako nagsiswimming. Dati po akong mistizo no? So, yeah. Wala tayong magawa. Kasi pag maedad ka na, pinipili mo na yung exercise mo. No? I'm a 21K runner, but I don't wanna run because delikado na sa tuhod. No? So doon sa swimming pool, lahat sila kaibigan ko. Lahat. Ako, kaya ngayon, meron na kaming club, RFR Running Swimming Club, kasi ako nag-umpisa noon. Lahat so pinakilala ko sila. Kasi networker ako eh. Yan, ganun ang networker. Lahat binabati mo. Kasi, kaya yung iba sa inyo, isa lang ang kaibigan, pinilipit mo ang liit, kaya sumali dito. Di ba? Ganun ang nangyayari sa inyo eh. Kasi wala kayong koneksyon. Tama ako. So sabi ko siya, hey bro, ba't ganyan? Nakaganon siya. Oh bro, mag-swimming ka na. Bakit kaganyan ka? Bro, alam mo, yung trabaho ko, I'm only working doon sa dito. Brand manager. So, ba't ano ba trabaho mo? Sabi niya, I'm handling 25 stores. Oh wow, dami naman. Oh. Pero, bro, I am very unfulfilled. I'm trying to get that. Blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? So, normally ako, pagka hindi ganun, misa ganito ang ginagawa ko sa mga tao eh. Uy, Gcash ka pala, big time ka pala. Ano sagot? Ay naku, kung alam mo lang hirap ko. Tama ba? Anyway, siya pumutak na. Sabi ko, bro, don't be like that. Because if you are ungrateful to what you do, you curse yourself. There is no perfect job, but be happy with that, bro. Pasalamat ka. Kasi yung nakakaaway mo, don't let the sun down na hindi kayo bate. Besides, nung nagkita kayo dyan, magkaibigan kayo, naging magkaibigan, magkaaway na kayo. Thank you, thank you for the wisdom, guys. So yung mga several swimming namin, 3 swimming, lagi na siyang, nakita ako. Isa malayo ako, nakikita ko, malungkot. Pagdating ko, kaso talagang pagod siya, no? Ika-apat, ay gano'n na naman. Sabi niya, bro, I really work this because I need to. Eh ano pa, dadalik ko dito malapit na, baka next week madala ko dito. Pamangkin niyo ng may-ari ng boardwalk. Okay. So, sabi niya, ba't ikaw bro, parang ang saya mo? Yan. Alam mo bro, this is the happiest moment of my life. Let me explain. Alam mo bro, dati akong traditional business, engineer ako, nagtrabaho ako sa General Electric. Pero alam mo, I became financially free. Financially free doesn't mean may pera ka. You can have a lot of money but stress out. You can have a lot of money without peace, but in real way, because of the values of this, I became financially free. Kami ng wife ko, yung wife ko nga pala hindi nakasama, ano, kasi deadline ngayon ng BAT. Kasi yung accountant namin, nag-abroad, nagpakasyon. So kaya nag-abon, di ba? Nung araw, hinahabol ako ng BIR kasi wala akong tax. Ngayon ako naman nag-ahabol kasi kumabayad ng tax, di ba? Ba't gano'n? So I'm financially free, and my wife and I, because of the values of this platform, I don't say Riway, I don't say Purti, platform, this made me a real person with I can spend whatever I want. Another thing is, dati nung baon ako sa utang ng 2019, I paid it all. In fact, I bought a car, an SUV, cash. But not only that, bro. You know, I'm supposed to be undergoing dialysis. But because of the stem cell therapy, don't ask about it kasi mahal mo. Huwag mo nang tanungin, mahal. I see this? Now, I never touch a single dialysis. And my creatinine after executive checkup is still in the middle level. But not only me, my entire family, my mother-in-law is supposed to, napapaalam na mamamatay na raw siya. Ngayon, ang ganda, at 85 years old, baka hanapan ko ng boyfriend. So, nag-joke yun, hindi kasama yun, ba? At talaga, but not only that, bro. The social skills that I learned from this business is incomparable. Yes. You know, and this business do not need training. All you need to see is merge yourself in the system of the company. We say system, events, meeting, and mingle with the top leaders. And by the time you know it, you are already acquiring skills, even if you are just listening and merging with the system and associating yourself with people. I began to change. The reason why I'm successful today is because of that culture that you should know. Not only that, my family, dati noon, nasa na ba ako? Social skills, my family now, nung araw, hate na hate nila ako sa ginagawa kong ganito, but my brothers and sisters love me so much. Pag-uwi ako ng probinsya, kuya, anong gusto mong ulam? Ay, gusto mo ka na ginatang manok, ganyan, diba? So, and not only that, even my in-laws. Dati sabi ng mother-in-law ko, sabi niya, sabihin mo dyan sa anak mo, sabi sa tatay ko, maghanap ng matinong trabaho. Diba? Kasi nga, nag-network ako eh. Diba? Network. Ngayon, hindi mo. Siyempre, pag na-hospital siya, dahil malayo ang bahay niya, naka-hotel muna yun. Para hindi uuwi pag anong-gano'n. Diba? And I began to think right. My decision is firm now. And I think right. And you know what? Deep inside my spirit, I am very positive the future. That is what this platform has taught me. But not only me, bro. I'll tell a story of Deo Sampaga, Erwin Salilin, and Eric Chok. Sabi niya, bro, pwede mo bang ituro sa akin yan, bro? I want to give you justice. Let me not teach you. You learn it from the system. You go to our office. Eh, pag kinumplan mo yan, Sabi niya, habang pinapanood ka, ayan ba ang gagawin ko? Opo. Tapos, pero bibigyan ka niya ng pag-asa. Pwede ba sa lahat ng lakad ko kasama na kita? Pwede sa bahay ko ikaw tuloy ha? Para gawa ko negosyo. Simple. I am very disciplined at that. I don't complicate things because you will not duplicate. Now, another way of simplicity is, let me talk about cross-line alliance. Ginagawa na namin ito sa Pampanga. Isipin mo, may pinrospect ka, dinala mo sa office, tapos ikaw ang dada ng dada. Sabi nung kasama mo, hindi lang sasalita yun eh. Oh, ikaw rin pala magsasalita sa akin eh. Sana doon lang tayo sa bahay. Last week, sa Pampanga, meron akong yung friend zone ko, attorney, lawyer yun eh, nasa trial court ng Kapas. So, siyempre, di saya-saya mo dyan, ganyan-ganyan. Bigyan niya. Naku, wala. Di ba gano'n ang tao, pag sinabi mo, ay, big time. Sabi niya, baliktad. Tama? O, yun ang technique. Di ba mayroong FORM? Ano yung M?
Message.
Oh, message.
Message.
Kaya sa takaw, anong mali? Saan yung nakuha yun? Sino pauso nun? Message. Ibig sabihin, may pera ba siya? Masaya ba siya sa ginagawa niya? Yun yung M. Okay? Para mag-alinawan. Di ba? Kasi, saan niya napul? Kaya niyo pinalitan niya. Di ba? Gawin ganun eh. So ngayon, siyempre marami akong friends zone. Nandun ako sa Pampanga. May nag-testimony taga-Tarlac. Tarlac nga pala si Atty. Andi dito ako biglang sa Pampanga. Bigla akong tinawagan. Sabi niya, friend, alam mo ba, nag-retire na ako. Baka pwede ko nang puntahan niya sinasabi mo. Because ang lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya, magpunta. Hindi yung, alam mo, ang ganda dito. Alam mo, ang binary plan nito, ganito, ganyan. Di kinoplicate mo. Bago yun eh. Are you hearing this? Yes. You make it simple for them so that, nung nakuha ko na siya, sabi niya, by the way, meron kaming GBOTC sa Pampanga. Ano yun? Ako, ang mga magsasalita doon, full of knowledge. Grabe. Kasi kukunin lang naman yun sa conviction mo eh. Lawyer yun ha, lawyer. So pagdating niya doon, so alam ako na naman ang dumada. Di ba ganun tayo? Ikaw nagdada ka ng dada. Lamit na yung patid na yung dilig, pinapanood ka. Ayan, yan ang gagawin ko susunod pag sumali ako. Ayan, di ba? Am I right? So ang ginawa ko, nakatayo kami, thank you, ito, alam mo, you are very privileged for this event. By the way, so I call on, sino ang pwede ako? Luhan Baro. Theodore, you remember in DBOTC, I pull you and talk to that lady? Okay? And then, Shinkaro. Ba't ako magsasalita? Para mukha akong simple. Tapos, Luhan Baro, nahila ko. Tapos si Eros, dito, sandali lang. Di naka-prepare na yung utak. Let me give you a tip. If you get someone, just a matter of time, you don't have impact anymore. Because the longer you meet the person, the familiarity will set in. You are not effective to your people in a matter of time. That's the reason why you need another one. That is cross-line alliance. Amway is teaching that, Rocky. So hinata ko, umupo na siya ngayon. Nagkataon si attorney, she brought someone from Mary Kay. Kasi naaamoy niya na networking attach. Okay? So umupo na ngayon doon. Siyempre, sabi na, simple naman. Ang dali naman ang ginawa ng beta. Nagsalit. After Jeddah, pumunta ako sa CR. Sir. Sabi ko, bakit? Sabi niya, alam mo ba, nananalangin ako ng negosyo. Gusto kong gawin. Parang ito na ang sagot ng Panginoon sa akin. Pero kung, binary pala, magpeperan, matching bonus. Listen to this. Tanggal ang excitement. Even product knowledge. Tama? Kasi all you want to do is build relationship because if they're excited, it means to say you build that relationship. Yun lang muna. Can we settle with that? You cannot eat an elephant the whole. Kasi matututunan yan in the process along the way. Am I right? Okay. So, pag upo niya doon, tapos in-invite ko sa office, sino nagsalita? PTan. Alam mo yung ititi-up niyo naman. Hindi naman yung PTan. Ay, kausapin mo yan. Sino ba yan? Bahala siya sa buhay niya. Kausapin niya. Iti-up niyo. Tama? Iti-up niyo. So after that, PTan, and then second meeting, punta na naman. After yung second meeting, kasi nagkamali ako. Sabi ko, kung mag-i-invest din lang kayo, akala ko set na, millionaire sa kami. Kaya nung biglang lumambot. Kasi millionaire sa kami, 1.2 million di ba? Sabi ko, mali ako. Pero hindi, punta kayo dito. Ay, busy kami. Sige, dadaan lang kami. Ibig sabihin, nag-i-excuse na. Tama? So pagdating doon, sino ang pumausap? Deo Sampaga. Ikaw yung natarats, ano? Isa. Sino po ba? Basta, iba ako pumausap, hindi ako. Ay, huli si Jude, tama? Si Jude ang huli. Saka si James. Siyempre, nakarinig sila ng istorya. Nabuhay ulit. Nabuhay ulit. Ngayon, hindi sila makakarinig ng leader sharing. Ngayon, meron tinatawag dito na advisor's closing. Do you know that you are not effective to close your guests or your prospect? So I let Deo sit down. Sabi, Deo, ikwento mo na ikaw, kaya mong mag-millionaire sa account. Kasi kung ako magko-close doon, ganun ulit ang mangyayari, tama? So pinanata ni Deo. Ako dati akong pedicab driver. Ganito lang to. Nung nalaman ko maganda ang negosyo, ang hinanap ko, pero millionaire sa account. Millionaire sa account. Sabi ko to sa dalawa, pedicab driver lang. Millionaire sa account. So, after that, they want to go to Thailand. Kaso puno na the plane, wala nang Cathay Pacific, puno na. Mahihiwalay sila. Kasi sabay-sabay kami, 39 of us will be going one up. So, mahirapan. Tapos yung hotel, magkakasama rin kami, malalayo siya. Sabi ko, next excited. Kasi excited kami. Nag-text sa akin kanina, Sir, I want you to know. Sabi niya, si Ma'am Palarca, which is si attorney, magpo-focus kami sa Riway. Nag-iipon na lang kami para makasayad ako niya. If that duplicates, we will be fast. So nakuha nyo? The way to do it, training ko. Meron kaming training ng Complan eh. Sino nag-train? Ako ba? Crossline ni Erwin yun. Sabi, Erwin, ikaw mag-crossline. Ikaw mag-training. Training ni Erwin. Tapos nakatingin sa akin si attorney. Sabi, ito si Mo, pakuya-kuya-kuya lang. Ito ba gumagawa? Marketing image. Sabi na, kung ganyan din lang, kaya ko yan. That's the objective. You know, I am very engrossed to teach you this industry because I learned that in 30 years. We will just copy those successful people who did that. Why will you complicate things? Sige, banatan mo ng tinuro ni Jaime, unang dating. Sige, banatan mo. Mga tao, kulay din lang eh. Ang maganda ba? Oh, ganda. Yan pala gagawin ko. Isipin mo, wala ko lang nakita yan. Make things simple. You know why I'm saying this? That is now the direction of the company. Hindi na selling. Claudio Ong speak the same. James Chong speak the same. Raymond Tong here on stage speak the same. You know the good thing with Riway? We have only one simple system. Let me tell you this. Can I mention another company so that you can have a reference?
Okay.
You know, Amway, they don't have one system. That's the reason why they have different group. Network 21. You know why they have system? So that these guys, even cross lines, can work together. Tama, Frankie? I have a local company. Nakita nyo? Kaya gumagawa ng system, duplication, para parang kulto, pare-pareho sinasabi. You know, if people are speaking all the same, the new ones will say, if they are saying exactly the same, I can copy that. Eh kung pagalingan kayo, my goodness, sabi niya, sino kaya dito sa magaling na ito ang gagayahin ko? Tama ba? I am like this because I want us to win in Riway all together. That's what my desire. Because the only way I can win, you are winning. That's the only way. Kaya ako, lahat na ng crossline yata, naturuan ko na. You know why? So that they will feed it back to my team. Nakuha nyo? Now, let's go to Riway. We have Thailand, we have Malaysia, we have Taiwan, we have Europe. All the speakers in that LTS, for example, Thailand, all those speakers has no downlines in Thailand. But they were the one chosen. All those speakers in Europe who will speak in Europe, they don't have downlines in Europe. That's cross. Yes. Ang katwiran ni Big Boss is this. Kasi daw, so that you probably tired of your own leaders. Better listen to other leaders. Before I end, there is a local company that I can tell you. I'm supposed to be part of them, but kasi yung dati kong kasama consultant sa networking, ayaw niya na ng although ako pumadol sa local. Although kaibigan ko yung may-ari. So, when they started the company, I don't want to mention the name of the company, but they are very, very successful even to this time. Yung lahat na nakuha niyang leader, taga Forever Living. Kaya lang, nagkataon, sabi ng may-ari, hindi ko kayo pwedeng gawing isang line. Hindi kikita ang kumpanya. Therefore, hiwa-hiwalay kayo. So, ganito ang sabi ng may-ari. Can I speak the way the owners speak in that meeting?
Yes.
Okay, kasi baka magalit kayo sa akin kasi may halong mura eh, no? So, sabi niya, pare, mga guys, uumpisa natin itong kumpanya na to. Kailangan maging successful to. Alam niyo kung paano ito magiging successful? Kaya nagkakaisa kayo. Wala akong pakialam. Personal yung buhay, nagsasampalan kayo. Pero ipakita niyo sa mga tao sa kumpanya natin na nagkakaisa kayo at nagtutulungan kayo not for relationship but for business sake. And that company grew. In 1.5 years, they opened Nigeria, they opened Australia, and they even opened some in the United States. That's the nature of this business. Simplicity and teamwork. Some of you are not my downlines, but I was engrossed to teach you. Have you noticed that?
Yes.
Because I know you will favor it to me back to my team. That's the nature of this business. You know one good thing in Riway? Iisa ang sistema. Hindi pa kayo magkakaisa. And yet the company is barking Riway number 1. Riway number 1. Because if one time James Jones says this in the States, let's make Riway number 1. If only each and every one of you will cooperate with each other, we can make Riway number 1. But you know the sad thing in the Filipinos, it's hard for us to unite. I attended a convention in the United States, and it's network marketing also in Anaheim, California. And they call up all the delegates. May drum eh. May mga nagsasayaw ng sabi nagka-drum. Delegates from Japan! They stood up with flag. All of them so proud. Arigato! Ayun, wala. Basta, sigawan sila. Malaysia! Kita mo, sama-sama sila. And then tinawag ang mga Pilipino. Honestly, they are separate from each other. No flag. I cried that time. Now we have a company who developed unity. In a company with one values. If we will help each other, we can make Philippines number 1. Alam mo maganda sa Riway? Sa ibang kumpanya, itong environment na to wala. Payabangan, tama? But in Riway, you notice tayo, one step na lang. Freeway is giving us the values that will change ourselves, our family, community, and this nation. So, magagawa nyo lang yun pag hindi kayo sales mindset. Let's build an organization. So, ako, to be honest, ang tulak ko sa grupo ko, millionaires account. Pero para magawa mo yun, kung ako nag-invite, hindi ako magko-close. Cross-line nila. Kasi pag cross-line nagsabi, para si Deo, kaya nyo yan. Magkano lang yan? 1.162 million. Sabi ni Deo. Sabi ni Deo, madali lang yan. Ako nga, nagawa ko eh. O di Deo, magpe-prepare daw muna sila. 2 diamond ang ipapasok nila in preparation for 7 heads. Why? Because hindi ako ang nagtulak. Si Deo. If we can help each other that way, we can really make Freeway number 1. Thank you very much.